Alright, I bought these solderless 5mm cable dealies to hold my throttle cable in, and I want to shorten my throttle cable length and use these. But the problem I'm having, or the question I have, is how do I take this off here? I've disassembled the throttle to this stage here. I can cut this off, but I'm just wondering, like, this plastic piece and this nut here don't seem to come off. So if I just cut it, am I going to be able to break this free? Am I going to be able to get it back onto the end here? What's happening on the inside of this that I can't see? I don't want to cut the cable at the carb end because I don't have as good a method of reattaching that end. I bought these jobbies that I showed, and so I want to do it from this end. So cut this cable, I can pull all this out, I can cut the housing, but how am I going to get this off of this piece of cable housing here? It just seems to turn, doesn't really seem to come off.